The brand sent me this INFILAND case for the iPad 10.2-inch, compatible with 7th, 8th, and 9th generation models, and it's been a really practical daily upgrade. What I love most is the multi-angle adjustable stand. It lets me switch between viewing angles instantly. Whether I'm watching shows, typing emails, or joining video calls, I can set it up comfortably without holding the iPad. The design is sturdy and anti-slip, so even on soft surfaces like sofas or beds, it stays put without sliding. That's clutch if you use your iPad while lounging or in bed. It also has a magnetic cover that snaps securely to the back or flips down to protect the screen. A cool bonus, it can stick to magnetic surfaces like a fridge, which makes following recipes or videos hands-free super easy. Just note, this works only on magnetic metal surfaces. Even though it's ultra slim and lightweight, the case still feels durable thanks to its premium materials. It protects against daily bumps, scratches, and wear without adding bulk. And the midnight green color gives it a sleek professional look, great for work, school, or travel.